State your name and the title that you won.
Hello everyone, I'm Marvin Diamante, your Mr. International Philippines 2024.
Alright, first question. So how do you feel right now that finally you bagged the crown that you've always dreamed of?
Actually, I have nothing words to say right now. Sobrang overwhelmed talaga.
Alright, I'm sure that you've been on a very strict diet. So what is the first food that you'll eat tomorrow? Given na you're on a strict diet for a very long time.
Tomorrow, hindi na natin mapatagalin. Ngayon pa lang, kakain agad tayo ng marami.
Alright, what will be your preparations that you know that of course we will compete internationally? So what can we expect from you? Ano yung mga gagawin mo?
As usual, yung preparation pa rin natin is kailangan good mental health kasi hindi natin magagawa yung mga typical na preparation natin like gym, workouts, or yung pasarela hanggat hindi kahit wala sa good condition yung mental health natin. So yun yung unahin natin.
Alright, and lastly, can you give us a message for your supporters and your fans?
Yun, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin from day one. Yung finally ko, totoo nangyari. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. State your name and the title that you won.
Hello po, I am Mark Luis Harmap and I'm the Mr. Culture International Pop 2024.
Alright, how do you feel that the pageant is now over? How do you feel? What's your reaction that the pageant is now over?
I feel great and I feel happy that nanalo po ako ng title.
Alright, and what can I expect from you? What preparations will you undergo?
I
as
will
you
improve
compete
myself po,
internationally?
especially my body and my Q&A po.
Alright, I know that you've been on a very strict diet. Ano yung kinikrave mo na food na unang-unang kakainin for tomorrow?
Tomorrow po, siguro lechon po. Okay, thank you.
Alright, and lastly, message to your fans and your supporters.
Thank you for supporting me and I love you. Thank you.
Alright, please state your name and the title that you won.
Hi, I'm Charlie Cook and I won the title of Runway Model Philippines.
Alright, first question, Charlie, how do you feel right now?
I feel pressured kasi malapit na yung performance na, pero I feel antok ngayon. Gusto ko na matulog. Kaya pagbukas siguro pagising ko, matutulog ako ulit.
Alright, so we know that you've underwent a very strict diet. So ano yung unang-unang food na kakainin mo for tomorrow?
Actually, hindi ako nagda-diet. Oh my God! Lagi lang kami samji ng samji. First, siguro, instead na mag-cheat day ako bukas, ang gagawin ko, magda-diet na talaga ako para paglaban sa international din, medyo okay na talaga.
Alright, so what do you think are your preparations for the upcoming
So my
international
preparations
pageant?
will be mga pasarela walk Q&A with my team, Standard Productions, and also make-up doon kay Kuya Jan Roy Reyes, my greatest makeup artist.
And lastly, any message to your fans and your supporters?
Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik, sa pagsuporta po sa akin. Mahal na mahal po kayo at naway samahan niyo pa rin po ako sa nalalapit na laban sa Runway Model Philippines.
Thank you, Charlie. Congratulations. Marcus, please state your name and your title.
I'm Marcos Stephen Parcon, your Mr. National Universe Philippines.
Alright, so how do you feel right now? First question, how do you feel right now that the pageant is now over?
Sobrang laking release nun eh. Kasi nawala na yung pressure, yung pag-alala na dapat gawin mo to, dapat kaya mo. Inisip mo para mag-exit yung bawat steps mo ng maganda. And I'm also feeling excited kasi ready na ako for the international. See you, Thailand!
Alright, second question. So we know that you went on a very strict diet. So ano yung first thing na kakainin mo tomorrow? Right after na yung pageant's na over. So ano yung first thing na kinikrave mo for
Coach, siguro pwede mag-street foods, no? Street foods. Mga kambis. So, visual, calamares, kwek-kwek. Yes, kwek-kwek.
Alright, third question. So ano yung preparations now that you'll be competing internationally?
So, ang gagawin kong preparation is, syempre, natutunan ko nung sa Batangas ko na hindi ko siya na-apply yung yung consistency and discipline for the nationals. But I think I'm still given a chance, so gawin ko mas better. Consistency and discipline. Diba sabi nga nila, motivation is what gets you started, but discipline is what keeps you going.
Alright, and last question, any message to your fans and your supporters?
Yes, maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo, malabong makamit ko to. Kasi every time nanghihina ako, na nawawala ako sa track, sa focus, kayo yung nagiging way ko. Diba? Pag nakikita ko, nandiyan kayo. It's bigger than me. Diba? I'm doing this for you. Para sa Pilipinas nga.
Thank you. Hindi. Solo lang.